Anyways, okay, today's the 5th. We have 4 weeks until finals. Okay.
No.
So it's gonna come by really quick, which means if you have any missing assignments, if you have any work to make up, Viking Plus. Okay. Make sure you're all signed up for that. Obviously, these are minimum days, and we have this day off, the 26th. If you could see that. Okay. Yeah, these are for seniors mostly. So the seniors don't have to come this week of school. For finals week, girls. What's up? Okay. Seniors last day is the 23rd. How exciting. And then graduation and grad night, okay? Are you going to grad night?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Hopefully it gets good. Miss A, are you going to grad night?
I want to.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hopefully they ask.
Wait, Miss, I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it like, if we go to 6 5, right?
Yes.
Is it like, from what time, like, does it end?
It's last year I went from 6 p.m., 5 p.m. to 4 a.m.
Miss, what? Like, what if I want to leave my bedtime?
You can't leave, yeah. They're not letting seniors drive or anything like that.
But
Because
but
they be
don't
getting drunk and
sleep?
stuff like that.
Some people sleep like in the parks and stuff.
Yeah, you see people asleep on the floor or
Wait, does 6 5 have a hotel?
no.
You can sleep.
Miss, so they're not letting seniors leave?
No. You're on the bus with staff.
And we gotta leave. You guys gotta leave early home, like, cause it's like 2 hours away.
Well, I mean, I think that's why we left at 5 last time, because we got there around 6.
It's like an hour.
Yes. She's okay. When it's 21st. That's so
Well,
boring.
we did come to work that day, yeah, so you can
Well,
sleep
that's
if
good.
you'd like, but I
Yeah.
can't sleep. Well, good thing is for this year, the seniors, because last year grad night was right after graduation, so they graduated and then they got on the bus, so they were probably exhausted. But this year it's graduation and then the next day it's grad night, and they stopped coming to school the Friday
If they
before.
graduate and then graduate in the same day.
Yeah.
What's the?
They don't have to go to school now. Yeah, good for them. So writing linear equations, sorry, I got distracted. We're refocusing here. And because I know you all love to study, page 263 for reference. And you don't have to open up your book now. I'm just letting you know, okay? Say that again? Not yet. So, yep, let me know if you fix this.
It's small print. I can't get it to the. It's just the way it looks like. You like it? It doesn't go away.
If the graph of an equation is a straight line, the equation is a linear equation, right? It makes a line. And the general form for all linear equations is, does anyone want to take a guess? It's y equals, what does y equal? Yes, thank you. Yes, y equals mx plus b. What is y equal, class?
MX plus B.
Thank you. Yes, y equals mx plus b. No, what does y equal? Mx plus b. So our m is orange, remember? And our b is. Now this is review because I know we've already. Okay, what does m stand for? find our slope? What do we do on the graph? Something over something. Nice try. What's that called? Nice try. Yeah, I guess.
Rise over.
Yes, perfect. Rise over one. Our top number, our rise, usually goes in which direction?
Or down.
And our run? And what about our beat? Or also known as the perfect. Good job. Readiness. Good.
No Juliana today?
Now what we want to do is, I'm going to give you your M and your B, and we are going to create the equation. Okay, so what's the equation again? What does y equal?
And X plus C.
Nice, yes. Let me see. Make sure you're right. It's all in your head. Can I close this? Thank you. Given M and B, we're going to write the equation for each. That's his A. I have y equals mx plus b. I want to substitute these values into this equation. What would my equation look like? Y equals, what's my m?
2x plus 1.
Yes. Everyone see that? Are you writing this now? Awesome. Okay, where are you at? how we have M and B? What does M stand for? Okay, what does B stand for? Or your starting point, right? But what we want to do here is if we're given M and B, we want to write this the equation. So this is all I'm given, right? M equals 2 and B equals 1. If I know this is my equation, I want to plug these numbers into the equation. Okay, so it would be y equals, what's my M here? What's my M? What does M equal? 2, right? So M equals 2, then what did you say? X plus, and what's my B? Perfect, so it would be y equals 2x plus 1. Okay, that's how we would write that equation. So I don't mess with my x. I know I looked over some of the quizzes, I'm not saying this class, but there were a few problems where there was no m, and it was just x. If I just have an x, what would my slope be? 1, right? Would it be x? No, it would be 1, okay? So we just want to remember that. Now number 2, m equals 4, b equals 7. I'm going to give you a minute to try to write this equation on your own, okay? M equals 4, B equals 7. So the same way we did this one, we want to plug it into the same equation. Y equals, what's my M? Here, for the number 2. There you go. Perfect.
Worksheet work?
Some bookwork, yeah.
Okay.
Few examples. Easy. Good job, yeah. What's your equation? How would you write it?
Oh,
Yeah, just don't say that. Yeah, good job.
this is not a problem, right?
Now, if I have this equation right here, I want to plug in these values. Look down on your paper. Don't look up. What would I have? What's my M? What's my M here? What's it equal to? What is it? No, but here, what is it equal to? M equals, so you would write your 2. Plus, what's my B? Good job, yep. Now number 2, go ahead and write number 2. M equals 4. Now keep it in place. M equals 4. And B equals 7. Now the task is to write your equation. So how would I write my equation? So y equals. Nice. As a class, what's the equation?
Y equals 4x plus 7.
Y equals 4x plus 7. Ten right here. follow me? We're just gonna stare at the wall. Brian, what is it?
Y equals 1.5 minus 1.
Try again. What are we missing?
Oh, x.
There you go. 1/2 x.
X minus 1.
Did everyone get the same answer? Yeah.
Barely.
You were about to? Nice, okay. So remember, instead of plus b, what are we putting here? We're gonna do one of these examples. And then we're going to this example we kind of already went over with the other notes. We're gonna do the rest of them. Give us two minutes.
It's probably not funny, but then
Everyone can see this, right? It's okay, I'm gonna give you time to write it.
It's gonna be more sort of.
Graph the line that passes to the points. And then we're going to write the equation. I was supposed to box that in there. You need lead? Here.
So Shada, when you start getting paychecks, you have to go buy lead, it's gonna run your money.
I know, honestly, it's my last one too.
Yeah, so now you have to go buy some, and they are not gonna go and do any of that.
Thank you.
They aren't even gonna think about it. You're gonna have to trek over to the store, look, and be like, what's my lead, 5 or 7, take your wallet out, swipe your card, and they're like this. What's TV?
That's true. Give it back, Michael. Just kidding.
Eat it,
What?
lick it.
Huh? You owe me lip. Didn't I let someone else have lip? Who was it? It was Noah?
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's see. Here. Example number 1. We're given these points. 7, 1, and 0, and 6. Sorry, that was too fast. Let me wait for you to finish. Go ahead. Imagine. That would be funny. Is it this class that's made fun of my last name? I'm always gonna remember that. You know what they said, Miss A? Miss those stuff.
Oh yeah. We never said that. Oh wait, we did. It was different.
Miss
those stuff.
It could be worse. My math teacher's name was Miss Function.
But we said this morning the other words were like Lulu Baba.
Oh, someone had a
Lulu Boo Boo.
Boo.
We think they're from China and they are filled with either drugs or they're watching us as voodoo dolls. They're watching us.
Oh, probably.
You know what I said? Like imagine you're asleep and then
Like
all
this.
of a sudden you wake up and its face is
It's
like
right, it's right
next to
here. Your little boo boo woke up and it's
you.
staring
Did you
at
freak
you.
out?
And it's trying to choke you out.
I'll be happy.
But we're videotaping this.
No, you're fine.
You better edit me out.
Okay,
Your Lulu boo boo.
given 2 points, x, y, and x, y, right? We want to graph the line that passes through the following points and then write the equation of each line. What does y equal?
What?
Thank you. What? No, oh, nice try. But mx plus b. Okay. What does y equal?
YM. Oh my god.
Now we want to graph this. Side note: I was telling every other class that Miss Flores gave this to me right before COVID happened. So this ruler is.
That's when I used to give them out for free, but you guys don't appreciate it anymore, so now you have to pay.
Oh, I remember.
Remember those days?
Yeah.
Eli, I'm gonna shave your head off. Your hair off your head. Why don't you wear a beanie? Today it's 80 degrees by the end of the week.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Like up tonight.
Ooh, earthquake weather. Hot and cold. Hot and cold. Oh, hot and cold. And then it's gonna be all.
It's crazy because I'm literally visualizing it. Like, yeah, that makes sense.
And this room would go like this, and these things would fall out.
Why are you predicting your next earthquake?
Because I do
It's
predict.
gonna happen. One.
Yeah, no, she does.
I predict. I think we're gonna have it at least by November, by Thanksgiving. A really good one, like a 6.0.
A really good one.
Why would you hope it on that?
Because I like earthquakes.
I think you like the structure.
Okay, so we're graphing
I'll
7,
destroy
1,
you. Watch out.
and 0, negative 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do y'all see that? Before axes. Yes.
What is this? Lulu la boo boo. Boo boo la lulu.
Miss, can you buy me a Labubu?
No, I'm not buying Chinese labubus. They're spying on us. The labubus are spying on us. It's like Toy Story. They get together at night and they all talk.
I love
Does it go with pigeons?
Yeah.
The Nazis used to do with pigeons. They used to put them
Me too. I'm looking forward to that. Okay, anyways, we gotta write our equation now, okay? So we have y equals, what does y equal?
X plus B.
Mx plus b. Is there anything on this graph that we can use to fill in this formula? Good, so which one would be my b? The 0 or the negative 6? The negative 6, right? So this gets replaced.
In the end, the MX will be the 7 and
Nice try. But not quite, okay? So we have negative 6. How do we find our slope? What do we have to use?
Rise or run.
Yes. So from here, we want to do our rise over run. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let me use the colors are
Oh, you can see.
our rise over run, right? And then this blue is gonna be our y-intercept. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, look, I messed up. Dang it! Don't copy me. I was supposed to go up one. It's not the first line, okay? It's the second. Market scruples.
Hey, how are you doing? We are talking about boo boo la lulus.
Okay?
Oh, this right here. Did you get your e-file? No, but I got my.
Okay, ignore that. Disregard.
I don't know
Please
if you
draw.
Lulu la boo boos.
Okay? Now someone tell me what the rise over run would be.
I'm struggling
It
with
would
technology
be
though, Miss May.
7 over 1.
No, it's.
Try again.
it's-
I mean, 1 over 7.
Try again. Sorry.
No.
Okay, look, remember, up and then sideways. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So 7 over 7?
Do we see how we did that? Or does everyone see how we did that?
Oh yeah, okay.
Right, we're going up 7, so
What's
even
your
this
sister
one,
name?
Like that.
No.
that shouldn't be highlighted either. That should look like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay?
I have.
Now, 7 over 7 equals what?
What's my email?
100 over 100 equals what? 1,000 over 1,000 equals?
One whole number?
Yes.
I filled it all out.
Good job.
I even highlighted, we
Uh,
haven't gone over this.
5,724 divided by
I saved it, that's why I needed you
5,724
to
is
look
what?
and see if it's saved.
1.
Because-
What's 7 over 7?
I even highlighted.
So that means RY equals 1x minus 6. Do we all see that?
And it saved my
Yes.
brain. The only thing I don't know that saved is the.
Are we interrupting you, Miss Ariel?
No, you're fine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I even filled out all that. So let me know,
Okay.
I didn't save, but I can go back over.
I think I want to do one more example.
Yeah.
And then we are
Yeah,
going
even
to
added
do
in
some
my
book practice, and I'm gonna add
last
some, because I
one.
feel like y'all are gonna need them quick.
Um,
Okay? Everyone got this? Yes? Alright, number 2. The back is fine. Maybe use a separate sheet. We did second sheet first. I think you have another one. Number 2. 2 comma 4 and 0 comma 3. Okay. Don't forget. What's our first step? What does it say to do? Oh, think over.
So anyway,
We've got to graph first, right? Now, I'm giving you some examples that have an easy y-intercept to find, but it's not always going to be like that. My points are going to be different always. Okay? 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 3.
But shame on you.
Don't forget to label your axes. Did you all see that? Yeah. Now, what does y equal?
MX would be.
Thank you, Nat. So y equals mx plus b. Is there anything on our graph that will help us fill anything in? 3? Where does that go? B. So y equals, I'm leaving my m blank because we don't know it yet, x plus 3. Now how do I find my slope again?
Rise over
Rise over run. So that means I would go up how many? Up 1 and to the right 2. So my equation is 1/2 x plus 3. How are you doing, Matthew? Are you okay? Maybe? For those that already wrote this down, please get your books out and open them to page 234. 264.
I said it all.
Yes. Yeah, go ahead. 3, right? But, because I know y'all are gonna get done quick, there's 4, 5, and 6, okay? So do 1 through 3, then 3 through 4 through 6.
Okay, so we write down the book practice.
Yeah, just make that your title.
This guy, go right to
Oh yeah, number 2, sorry. Sorry, thank you. And then do this exercise on a separate page, okay? Because it'll be due today. And if you don't finish, you can do it tomorrow. Don't worry about it, okay? A separate paper. Yeah. Do you need one? I have graph paper. I should have. My mistake. Do you forgive me? Okay. No. Oh yeah, you do. Yes. The title? Yeah, left. Oh, you got it? There we go.
Yeah.
So you're gonna write the equation, then you're gonna graph the equation. Graph 2. And graph. Okay, Brian, let me underline this for you so you can see. Write it, then graph it. You can work in pairs, partners. Whichever paper they have.
Almost.
264. Write the equation, then graph. Please make sure you're using a straight edge, no ugly lines. Yes. Oh, you're fine right there. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, we'll get one. So don't forget you're gonna have to graph those, okay? You're doing 1 through 3, and then those 4, 5, 6. So please do not do 4, 5, 6 on the book. 4, 5, 6 is up here. Okay?
Wait, I'm a little confused.
So 1 through 3. So right here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6 up there. Don't do this 4, 5, 6 because those are your points. Sound good? No? What are you confused about?
Look at your cute little shoes you're wearing.
Oh, thank you, Zara. Thank you.
They match your gown.
Yes, I know. That's why I was like, oh, that works. Four, 5, 6, because some of you all are gonna get done really quick. More practice, the better, yeah.
I saw the list, I mean, I know who's on the
Oh, I thought
list.
you had a question. Yes. Yes, here. Yeah, don't do 4, 5, 6 on the book. Only 1 through 3. How are you doing? You got it? So do you need another paper? Yeah? Let me go. How are you doing? Good? Keep your head up, please. Thank you. Perfect timing, right? Let's see. Yep, so now you want to set your equation up. Just leave out, well, we'll get a separate piece of paper. You need one?
Okay, I'm
I
gonna
said
go
half
one.
her shirt, Miss May.
I know, we're gonna get shirt.
They get it for half price.
That's so cute. A nice one. Okay, bye you guys, I'll see you later.
You don't wanna
See ya.
you
Now, see ya.
Well, let me know if this comes up.
Well, I will.
Okay, check it.
I remember.
Go,
So this will be like.
let's go halfway so you have room for your.
what I mean? Like each line is.
Right now?
Oh, sit right here. And you're gonna get the rest of the Bible here.
Yeah, this.
You can do one, two, you can do both, and then 4, 4, 5.
The cough,
Yes, right.
just for mistake. You can't drink anything cold.
Why?
Will it predict your life?
I did borderline. I did four, but I wasn't sure.
Yes, and now you wanna graph that.
But from up there, not from here. So do 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
It's okay. Now we can finish the my equals, let's see.
Are you like mentally preparing
Why you
yourself?
yelling at us?
Are you mentally preparing yourself?
What do you mean you're tired, Bob?
Well, there is an X.
I'm feeling right now,
Write it down,
yeah.
sorry, I need to read it.
No, but is it my fault?
Yeah, wanna look at our equation from our other examples? The X just stays there.
How do you understand me, but you don't understand the graph?
Write it down.
I just imagine. It's like, oh, I didn't have
No.
this.
No, and then I get distracted. And then I pass that up.
I can see that.
It's like, okay, it's like, and then you're like, oh, I'm gonna.
Yeah, I
It's like,
can.
And then you graph it on.
What's that
Yeah.
mean?
Just those.
That's not what's in the and then I got to
I wrote those 4, 5, 6, because we're not doing exercises.
Yeah.
Do we have to graph it?
Yes.
No, I didn't, but I saw
It's
it.
okay. Yes, but it's like a baby too.
I remember that.
Okay, so what's my equation? What does y equal?
I forget.
Yeah, like
Yeah, so, except for that.
What does y equal? That's the equation we always wanna remember, okay? So we wanna create this using these numbers. So, yes, good job.
So wait, I thought it's a line?
Yeah, so then afterwards you have to graph it, okay?
Say it louder.
Like, don't push the car away when we're not done taking our stuff,
So she knows that I got
right?
Oh.
Starting at one, yep. You're the only one that noticed that. Oh wait, what'd you say? Never mind, you didn't notice.
It's Sarah one, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay, now look at
We're
our,
gonna get it.
I don't even know because I was like, you guys might have
look at our,
You gotta delete that.
You see, right?
I was like,
for example, number 1.
And you know what? I was right here with our food, wonderful.
Talking about, oh, we were talking about little boo boo drugs too. You need to delete that. We're talking about little boo boo drugs. You gotta delete that one.
It's still going.
They call us on 4K.
Mia, is that okay? Did you read it?
Yes.
It's just basic, it's just for the
Do
start.
you need help
What?
or?
You don't need to read it, just put it in your folder.
Oh, really? I'm just kidding.
Literally just leave it there. Who's it for? What do you need to learn about
That's not
nature?
what it's for. Hold on.
Did you give me one? Did you have me some?
Good.
It is starting
So it's not any
Oh,
more.
yeah.
You wanna start on the y-axis at our feet.
It's always left and right.
Is that gonna be a 1?
What else did you say?
As far as
What?
for
Okay, now we have our.
our starting point, it's always run right, left and right.
That would be 1 over 2. But here,
I don't say that.
Oh, wrong Mia, Mia, bring it back. It's the wrong one. I was wondering why you needed it. Give me that back. I apologize so very much. I'm sorry. Mamma Mia.
Mamma Mia, yeah.
Mamma Mia.
Yes.
Val.
Thank you for trashing it though. Nice try, but remember, where am I starting? What's my starting point? What's my starting point? 1, right? So 1 on the y-axis. Not 2x 2, so remember the 2 becomes 2 over 1. Yeah. Okay, no, you're good. So we're gonna be here, up 2 over 1.
Yeah, hard.
Yeah, good job. And you can go ahead and make your line with those two points.
You get bronchitis for you eat brown.
Oh my god.
Oh, you heard me?
They say that.
I just
We're gonna start your practice. It looks cute though, yeah?
No,
Okay.
it was still
Practice. Let's see your paper, Noah. It works. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
There's a video for the father of the number. I can check it, that's it.
Oh,
Oh, nice job.
just a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay. So I'm at -3.
Oh, I just have the negative.
Yeah, you did. Yeah, but I have to go up 3, 1, 2, 3, and then.
Oh, I don't understand the fire. Oh, wait,
2, 3,
oh my.
Stand by on 5. We're going down 2 over.
And then this one is already trying to do that. What's going on? I do it, right?
You wanna hear my embarrassing story? We were at the beach July 4th.
Yeah.
Look at little boo-boo.
Like I'm wearing on my way and pants came down.
Banana.
So I moved my boyfriend. Okay. And the oldest. And I put it out there.
Guys, if I will help you.
He had to drag me out of the water.
So I always start off with
I didn't notice that.
X, right?
What?
Yes.
This is why graph paper is very important, yes.
So like you learn.
You're feeling very
Very good, Matthew, but I want to remember, you can always start
Not
with
scared to go to the beach.
why axis.
No, it's my Victoria's Secret.
So what's my key
Go
here?
to the 6th floor. Go
I
up.
hit the center of that red one.
Connect the
Oh,
third one.
But that way.
So that's where I will start here. Remember, always why axis.
And then connect here. Now
Yes.
when you connect the other one, connect.
It's okay.
But do
You
not
just got
put it
confused.
together. Spread them out.
It's a tumor.
Do not put it
Always
together.
want to remember.
There's lip liners here.
Go up. And then connect here. When you how
Yeah.
Lip liner.
You can go ahead and clean up. She knows we're learning energy. What does y equal? Thank you. What does y equal, Analia? What does y equal? Someone help me with this.
sorry.
What is it? That, well, yeah, if you haven't finished your browser, turn that in. You're fine, Matthew, not you.
Did you draw it a little bit?
Bye.
You guys have a great day.
See you later.
Oh, my shoulder hurts.